ready for Zumba. Why are you and Animal wearing backpacks?
Can you help me adjust myself?
Look straight out at the far mountains out there.
Where the castle is? Or out that way?
Castle.
Castle. Okay, I'm on castle. Okay, awesome. Thank you, honey. Yeah, I'm not going up that. Nope.
OM goodness, the view is beautiful, but the video quality looks like someone's 1980 holiday film.
You started the video because it said video start. You just see the thing moving the timer. Damn it. What did I do? Let me see.
I don't know, let's just keep rolling.
I don't even know what's going on right now. Maybe it's something.
Watch your step. That's why.
Oh. Ooh. Ah. See, that's where our camp spot is right there. And that's the dam. Feel free to ask all the damn questions you want. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, look at that. This is so cool. So it's hard not to look down when you're going downhill. Oh. Okay. What's that? Looks like somebody's hair. Oh, that's not good. Oh, there he is. He's moving now. Yay, little lizard. Oops. It's relaxing, it's beautiful, and I'm happy. Ooh. Wow. This is so cool. Wow.
Avocado, this is a great view. Just don't look down. Ha 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 ha.
And try not to step in the horse poop. Sam Squatch is coming.
Hey guys.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Let's go.
Right now, okay. Do you want to be in front for a while, honey?
Avocado, it's getting squatchy. Girl, take a mo and drink up the view.
Horse poop smell. And of course, you know, who wants to eat when they're smelling poop? Oh, this is so beautiful.
Avocado, you need to slow your roll. You're moving too fast. I want to see more of the lake. You hiked all the way up here. Come on, take a mo.
I'm the girl who 3 years ago was called Indoorsy. Well, somehow I don't think this is Indoorsy anymore. Whew. I am still deathly afraid of heights, so I'm not going to get down there toward that edge. I don't want to fall. Although I am the idiot that has literally dove after cookware, disposable water bottles, and all kinds of dumb shit because I'm clumsy. I should have been called Danger Prone Daphne. Unplug yourself from technology, even just for 24 hours. That's why they made the inReach. If there's an emergency, you're still reachable. Oh, look at the orange on this rock. It's so pretty. Oh, I thought we were going the other direction. My goodness, I'm glad I didn't go that way. I got lost.
Avocado, this is grand, minus your horse poop chatter and gratuitous pop culture references.
Oh my god. We still have to get down there. I don't know how we're gonna do this. I can't even see our stuff anymore. Oh my god. Well, I'm thankful that I had a hearty breakfast. I want to capture this moment so I can remember this moment forever. I mean, wouldn't you want to remember this moment forever? And you know what? Just in case this is not recording, I have my phone as a backup. Will I find it? I'll catch up to Daniel in a minute. But I'm going to do a quick video here. But I just want everyone to see what I see in case my thingy isn't working. And the water's down there, and we're about, I don't even know, too far away.
The backup footage from the iPhone 6 is lost. Oh, the irony.
I'm getting a little warm. I might just take my pants off. Thank you for waiting for me. I was gonna run to catch up because I knew I could, but then I thought, oh, the video, if it is still running, would be so unwatchable. Good thing it's not strapped to my boobs. So this is still, we're still to the water source. Thankfully I have a little bit of water still on me. Ooh, it's interesting how the scenery changes, like all the green, and then you get all the rock. Wow. And then there's all the poop. Almost there, I can hear the water better now. You can always tell the trail too, because it's obviously a walked path versus when we bushwhack and you're just kind of in the middle of nowhere. Ow. Oh, this is pretty. The cool thing about the Sierras is it changes terrain. So you could have like rocks, and then you have like a fern gully atmosphere, and then you've got like some kind of crazy looking alien atmosphere. Pretty cool. I'm blinding you with science. Ooh. We're here, I can hear it. Ooh. Ooh, let's take a moment. Wow. Whew. Oy. Almost there. I know I've said it like 3 times, right? Just one more knob. Just one more switchback. Well, no, I can hear the water over there. Because you want to go where flowing water is. You don't want static water. And you always want to filter your water. Do not drink raw water ever. Gotta filter it. You don't want amoebic dysentery. What do you see, honey? Look at the falls.
Come closer, my dear.
That's called spring water. No, that's not spring water, it's snow water. That's beautiful, look at it. How beautiful, fresh this water is. And that was our journey from the camp to the water source and the beautiful falls of the reservoir. What's the name of the place again, honey? Nice. Animal acrobatics.
Mum, the Zumba class went swimmingly. Now, it's time for my nap.